Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to align rectangle shape in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to align rectangle shapes in this document. Firstly, we insert some rectangle shapes. We go to the Insert menu, then click Shapes drop down menu. Then we can see here many rectangle. We insert some rectangle. Firstly, we insert a rectangle. Then again go to the Shapes drop down menu and choose rounded rectangle. Then change the second rectangle color. Click the rectangle and go to the Format menu. Then select Shape Fill Color. Then press Shift on your keyboard and select multiple shapes. We can see here we select multiple shape. Then we go to the Align option and choose Align Left or Align Center or Align Right and more than Align. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.